Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell button for more videos.
Hi friends, welcome to Hobby TV. This is me Pranath. Today I am going to show you how to make boost, which is more tasty than the normal store-bought boost and it is moreover cheaper than the normal boost. I usually drink this at my home and I thought this will be very useful for you. So let's get into the video. The ingredients required are 3 tablespoons of milk powder, 3 tablespoons of wheat flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 15 cashews and badams and 2 tablespoons of roasted groundnuts. Now I am going to crush badams, cashews and groundnuts using a mortar. Now I am going to fry the crushed nuts and then the wheat flour. You can see that after frying it has turned into light brown color. Now I am going to add the wheat flour. Fry it for 3 to 4 minutes and you can feel a nice aroma and then you can switch it off. You can see that the color of the flour has changed. Now you can turn it off. After cooling, we are going to transfer all the ingredients to a mixer and grind them to a fine powder. This is how our homemade boost looks after grinding. Now I am going to taste the homemade boost. For this we are going to add 1 teaspoon of boost, 1 teaspoon of sugar and warm milk. Our homemade boost is ready. It is not necessary to store it in the refrigerator. You can also store it in an airtight container. Now let's try this. Wow, it's very tasty. So friends, please try this and don't forget to like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel. See you friends next time. Bye.